Welcome to part 2 of modifying our Ford Fiesta using cheap modifications from Temu. So basically, while Ron's on lunch, Jonathan's going to take me out in the EcoMax G80 M3.
So she's stage 2, 750 brake horsepower, 3.5 inch, of the single mid pipe in the middle, yeah. Screams, titanium back box.
You've got oh my god! My hands are wet.
I wish I had the same effect on ladies, mate. I don't, mate.
Do you know I got wet palms?
Yeah, you actually.
Do you know what? That's so impressive. The fact that that's the first car that scared me in a long time.
Mate, there's no car that has got me gassed in I don't know.
What is it? This one?
Yeah.
Wow.
Back at the unit, Ron had completed the Temu exhaust, and now it's time to hear how it sounds.
That's f***ing crazy difference. So alright then guys, that is actually the Temu exhaust all installed on the Ford Fiesta ST, as you can hear it purring away in the background. Oh mate, that sounds juicy. Probably around 30 or 40% louder now with that exhaust, because it's basically straight through. And then literally from outside the car, I can even turn it to quiet if I want. Look at the difference. Mate, that's genuinely insane. Watch this. Ready? Oh my god! That's actually crazy. I can control it from outside the car.
Yeah, it's good little bit of kit.
As you can imagine, 4 AM, just make it quiet.